Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually wanted to show you these super cute bunny paper tassels I made. I think they turned out so cute. Um, I don't know, they look so cute to me. So yeah, it's just a normal paper tassel like you've seen in other videos. I actually have a video showing you how to create these paper tassels, and I thought, why not make some super cute like bunny ones. Trying to focus there, guys. So yeah, I mean, I thought this was super cute idea to create some little bunnies, and all you need is pretty much just to add a head, a little bunny head, to the paper tassel. So let me show you how I made these. And okay, so well, let me show them to you really closely so you can see how they look. I think they turned out so cute. So I did the little ears, and I put little googly eyes and the little mouth and little flowers, little trim, and then I also added a little tail. I thought that was really cute. And I did different colors, put different trims. So I don't know, I think it's so cute. What do you think, guys? I don't know if my camera, it's like focusing. So yeah, so these are all the ones that I made. They're pretty much the same, and I added this trim here, but you could also add like this one. I added this lobster claws here. So yeah, you could do whatever you want, and you hang them on your projects as little charms, but I think they're so cute. All right, so let me show you how I put these together. Okay, all right, so you're gonna need to make your paper tassel, and I already made this one just for sake of the video, because it's gonna, if I don't do this, then it's gonna be super long. And if you don't know how to make paper tassels, there's a lot of tutorials. I actually have a tutorial. I will link it down in the description box below if you want to see that tutorial. So you make your little paper tassel, and then for the head, what I used were these little like ball ornaments, and I got these in Christmas. And they're supposed to be, I guess, like little snowballs, and I thought this would be like perfect for the little head. If you don't have this, you could also use a big pom-pom, like a big white pom-pom, like like this size, and use that as the head also. Or maybe even a big pearl would also be good for the head of the bunny. So we're gonna need one of these. And then we're gonna need googly eyes and all the little embellishments to make our little face. And then I have some felt here and a little piece of paper to make the ears. So I already cut these. Now for the mouth, what I used was actually, I have this die that makes a bunny, and I'll show you the bunny. So it makes this little bunny, and I use the little mouth here to make the little mouth for the bunnies. So if you have like a little die or something that can make like a little mouth like that, or you could also punch like a little tiny little little circle for the nose, and you could kind of cut your own little mouth if you want to do that too, if you don't have something like this, like a little die like this. But that's what I use to make mine. All right, so I'm gonna choose this part to be my front, so I'm just gonna glue my little head here. So I'm just gonna put the glue there, and then I'm going to add my head right there, right there. Okay. And use whatever glue you want. I'm using the glue gun because that's what I like to use. and they don't come off. So yeah. All right, so now I'm going to glue the little ears here. Just gonna put the glue right here. Glue my little ears. And you just cut like a little, like, kind of triangle shape, but like long, to like, you know, like a bunny ear. And I hope you see what I'm doing. Actually, I'm going to reinforce this head here. Okay. The only bad thing about the glue gun is all the little strings. But I like it because it's fast. Okay. So now I have that. Okay, now I'm going to glue my ears. And I'm just going to do like this, like that. I'm actually going to cut a little bit because I feel like they're a little too long. But, you know, you can make them as long as you want them to be. Or as big as you want them to be. So I'm just going to put some glue here. Oh, I hope you can see. And I'm going to glue one of my ears right over here. Okay. And then you're just going to curve your little ear. I'm going to glue this better. Okay. Like that. All right. So now we're going to glue our other one. Sorry if this video feels a bit like rushed, but I'm kind of rushing here because I need to do some stuff. And okay, and then you're just going to, so you just glue that and then kind of give it like a little shape of the ear, just curve it. Actually, these came out a bit bigger than these here. These are shorter. You see, these are shorter. Kind of like the big ones. So, you know, like I said, you just make them the size that you want. So that's what we have so far. Now I'm going to glue the eyes. And I have a little bag here with googly eyes. I'm going to choose these blue googly eyes. Should have had these ready already. Okay. All right, so, and I'm going to kind of place them. Actually, I think I'm going to place my mouth first. And I want it right there. And for the mouth, I am going to use some of my Nuvo glue. So you could use some tweezers to hold this if you want, because it's so tiny. All right, so I'm just gonna place it right there. Like that. Just kind of hold it for a little minute so that it glues. Like that. Okay. Now I'm going to put a little dab of glue here on my eye, and I'm going to place one of my eyes. All right. Then I'm going to place my other eye. Just going to hold it there for a minute. Again, you can use whatever glue you want. Alright, so we have our little face there. Now we're going to glue our little flowers, and I have some little flowers here. So I'm going to put this one there. Like that. And this other one right there. And then this one in the middle. I'm just going to hold it there for a minute. Okay, like that. So look how cute. See how cute it's looking? Then I'm going to add a little bit of a piece of trim. Again, I should have had this cut. So I'm going to put this little piece of trim here, and I'm just going to see how big. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm out of frame here. Alright, so I'm going to glue this here. Okay. And then I'm just going to glue all around the neck. And glue it. Okay, we're just going to hold it there for a minute. And there we have our cute little, I don't know why, there. Our cute little trim. Super cute. And then we're going to add a little pom-pom for the tail. Oops, sorry guys. So I'm just going to add the tail right there. So I'm just going to put a glob of glue there and then glue my tail right there. And just hold it. Hold it there for a minute. And there you go guys, and then you could just spread your little tassel a little bit better. And then I'm going to add my piece of trim so that I can hang this wherever I want to hang it. And there you go, guys. So super easy and super fast and super cute. So I hope you like this little tutorial and this little idea. I really enjoyed creating all these. And like I said, just super easy. And I think it's just another way to create your tassels for Easter, you know, another idea. I think it's really cute. And I think this is going to be a super cute gift. Alright guys, well I hope you like this idea and I hope you give it a try. Thank you. Bye.